thought that you could be causing these problems. It smells so bright with eyes like these diamonds. Caution, I know I should have known. Right now you're not alone.
Good morning, everyone. Greetings from Thailand. We're getting our bags packed right now for a Phi Phi island tour, and we're gonna be going to 4 to 5 different islands. We're gonna have lunch, and yeah, just gonna show you what we're up to today. So, come on. All right, guys, we're here at the Maya Bay, and we're about to walk into the beach area. Let me give you guys a little look at where we're going. It's raining a little bit, but we should have some pretty good weather. So let me show you where we're going, what we're doing. What's up, guys? We're at the next spot. This is called Phi Lagoon, and it yeah. What's up, guys? Checking in from the next island. This place is called Phi Phi, and we're just grabbing a bite to eat here. They have an open buffet, and most of the boats are docking here. We're kind of getting a break from a little bit of the sea. Kavitha, she got a little sick, so we're just taking a break off the water. But let me show you guys what the scenery is around here. It's pretty cool. Yeah, we're having a really good time here, and we should be back out on the water within the hour. And we'll see you for the next island. I forget the name of the next ones, but yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. And yeah, I'll see you later. All right, next stop is a little bit of snorkeling here. What bay is this? Or where are we at?
Lagoon Bay is behind, it's the other side of the Phi Phi Don.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. So, yeah, I brought my GoPro with me, so let's see if we can get some stuff underwater. Yeah, all right, we'll catch up in a little bit. On the last part of the tour now. I'm gonna celebrity tap in our guide. She explains things a little bit better, but yeah, sure. Her name is Kusni.
Yes, my name is Kusni.
Yes.
So here we are the last island today. So we call Top Island, or another name is Talebe. It's in Thai name. It means like separate island. So this one amazing, like when the water getting low tide, it's connect with 3 islands. So you can walk all the 3 islands sometime in the low tide. But this time only 2 islands we can walk because the water is coming high tide. But still beautiful. See.
But yeah, we're gonna head back to the room after this, and I mean, it's just so gorgeous here. You can't beat it. So yeah, let me show you guys the rest of the small island here. Some people are playing frisbee and football and stuff over here. So yeah, let me show you around. So yeah, this was the whole Phi Phi Island tour, and we're gonna go back to the hotel room in just a minute. We're hopping back on the boat. We're possibly gonna see a Muay Thai fight tonight, depending on how time is. But yeah, the next time you'll see me is back at the hotel room. All right, guys, we're gonna wrap the video up here. The company that we used today was called the Sea Eagle, and they give you the option to have a full tour or a private one. We chose to do the private, which allowed us the ability to pick and choose if you wanted to stay somewhere longer than the other. And it was nice. I mean, if you're filming or you want to take pictures or swim, snorkel a little bit longer than a normal group tour, they give you that option. So really great company that we used. So the islands that we toured were the Maya Bay, went to Pile Bay, Monkey Beach, Phi Phi Don, and Phi Phi Lay. And all of them were really gorgeous, and we had a great time. We just got back to the hotel room, and yeah, that's pretty much the whole tour. I definitely recommend, if anybody wants to use the Sea Eagle, you can look them up online, or you can book a tour once you get to Krabi. I think it is a little bit less expensive if you book while you're like on the island. If you give them a direct call, online charges a little bit more. But yeah, all in all, I would rate it 10 out of 10. Loving the water. We loved everything about it. And yeah, so I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy. Peace out. And yeah, I'll see you later.